Hi there, students. So I'm sure you all know that a Ford is a type of car. But do you know the other meaning of Ford as a verb or a noun? Okay, a ford is a place where you can cross a river, where the river is shallow and you can walk through the river. Okay, so this is a ford. It's a shallow place where you can walk across the river. You could drive through it maybe, or you could ride a horse through it. And then we have the verb to ford, meaning to cross a river using a ford. So I come from Oxford, and this is where Oxford gets its name. An ox is a big animal like a cow. Notice one ox, two oxen. Oxen is the plural. So Oxford is the place where you could cross the River Thames with your oxen. Notice the River Thames runs through Oxford. So Oxford is the place where people crossed the river with their oxen. You have Dartford, the Dartford tunnel nowadays, but Dartford, the place to cross the River Dart. Or Brentford, North London. This is the place where you can cross the River Brent. Okay, so a ford, to walk across a river. Yeah, if there's no bridge, then you're going to have to find a place to ford the river. You can walk, you don't have to swim. So you're probably going to wonder if you can use this figuratively. I've not seen it used figuratively, but I'm sure if you were inventive or used a metaphor, you would definitely find a way of using ford in a figurative way. So let's see, how formal is this word? Well, it says what it says, and there's no other word for it. I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. To cross the river, to walk through the river, to wade through the river. But I think this word is flexible, and I think you could use to ford anywhere, informally and in a very formal document. Notice as well, to ford is a regular verb. We forded the river. We have forded this river several times before. And then the next question, origin. Well, certainly it's related to this Scandinavian word, a fjord. You know the fjords in Norway and Sweden. And then it's related to a Proto-Germanic word, ferduz, meaning a ford, and that even goes back to Proto-Indo-European, pertus, meaning a crossing. Okay, so whenever you see a place name that ends in ford, this is a place where you can cross the river, or usually at least. And this is the origin. So just remember the origin of the name Oxford. So there you go, to ford. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ford.